Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to you all in our today's class. Today also I present here to teach you about the topic this highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. That is, we can say H.C.F and the L.C.M. In the previous class also we discussed many more things about this H.C.F and L.C.M. I think you have seen. Then in today's class here also we have to discuss about the same topic, but here some special problems are brought here today to teach you, so that all of you, without going delay, I would like to enter in our today's this topic, that is same topic, but here problems are different here. So here such type of problems are given in the examination, then how we can solve it. Otherwise, if these types of problems you find out in your textbook while solving the exercise, then how you can complete it, otherwise how you can factorize it, about this we will discuss here. And similar type question you can do yourself. Okay, now here we have here three expressions. 1, 2, 3 expressions are given, and here all are here having 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four terms are given in the algebraic expression. How to factorize it? Because you know, to find the H.C.F and the L.C.M, the given all the algebraic expressions are to be factorized in the beginning. Then only lastly we can find the H.C.F and L.C.M, so that you have to be perfect in the factorization. So look at here how to do. So this first expression we have this. So here how to factorize, look at here. The first expression we can write. First expression is equal to 9m square minus 4n square minus 4nr minus r square. So here generally first of all we have to see the given algebraic expression. So what type of expressions is given there? So here 4 terms are there. Some expressions we factorize by making the pair like this. First this 2 pair and this 2 pair. Yes. So some expressions we can factorize by completing the perfect square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is called a plus b whole square. This is formula we can say. So this like by making perfect square also we can factorize it. So let's check it first of all. So what kinds of questions are given there? Let's make concept, then only you can factorize it very easily. Okay, so here if you take common from these two, then we don't have common here. Look at here, 9 we have, here 4 we have, here is m and here is n. Nothing is common from these two. And from here also, here we have n, here we have n, here we have r is common, but here we don't have common in first two terms. So we can't factorize by making the pair. So by arranging the terms, 3 terms we can do grouping together to convert in the what is called that perfect square. Everybody you can see here is 4 and r. Here is presence of n and r here, so that better you arrange these terms like this. 9m square separately you can put, because the term containing the variable m is only one term here, 9m square. So we can write this 9m square alone there separately, and from back side these 3 terms. This in 3 terms there are containing n, r, this containing here, so we can write separately here like this 4n square. Here minus common taken, so minus into minus we can do plus, you know. So this 4n r we can do 4n r as it is, and here also minus and minus multiplies, then it becomes plus here. R square we have, so r square we can put like this. So in this trinomial, 4n square plus 4nr plus r square we have. So this is we can convert in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, so that it goes in the form of a plus b whole square, perfect square becomes. So that this we can convert in this like this perfect square. So let's check it. First of all, a square means 4n square we have. So 4n square we can do 2a whole square we can do. This is a square, here a represents 2a. And finally this b make b square. B square means here we can write here plus r square, and in middle here plus we have 2ab we have to make finally. Okay, so this 2 we can write from formula. 2 we can write into a. A means here what? A represents here 2a. Here a represents 2a, so we can write 2a here into b. B represents here by r, so we can write r here. So here everybody check this. The 2a whole square is 4. No, here a not, here is r n. Okay, and sorry, it is here n. So here we can write n 2n into r plus r square. Look at here, this matches with this or not? 2n square. This means 4n square we can do plus as it is 2 multiple n multiple r 4n r plus this r square is r square same. So that we have seen this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write a plus b whole square. That means we can write a represents here 2n, so 2n plus b represents here r, so we can write 2n plus r whole square. So like this we have to arrange the terms here to make it perfect square. So we can write here this directly, we can write here 9m square minus this is of 2n plus n whole square, 2n plus r whole square we can write. Everybody you know it is in form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is we can write 2n plus r whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Everybody you know, you have seen here, so you can check here on raw. So this equal to, now finally it is it goes in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal, you know, a plus b into a minus b. This is factorization formula. You have already learned this. So this a square minus b square we have to try to express this expression in the form of a square minus b square. A square, let's make the 9m square we can write 3m whole square. Okay, the minus this 2n plus r whole square we can write same as it is here. Everybody, now you have to consider this 3m as a and this 2n plus r you have to consider as b. That is a square minus b square formula becomes here. It is a square minus b square is, you know, a plus b, a minus b. Very easily you can factorize it. So this is equal to, let's write a plus b first of all. A plus b means here we can write a means 3m plus b. This sign we can write plus. B means here 2n plus r. This is 2n plus r you can write. Similarly, a minus b we have to write. The a represents here 3m. A became minus b. Minus is there b. B means here 2n plus r. So this 2n, and while this opening bracket, then minus plus, this becomes minus r. So this line we can write. Everybody, if you get confused here, if you become confused here, so you can write this like also in detail. This called back we can put a plus b, that is a represents 3m plus b. B represents here 2n plus r. 2n plus r we can write. Curly bracket you can close it here. Then similarly here a minus b, a represents 3m minus b. B means here 2n plus r. Like this we can write. So this open bracket, so 3m we can write here as it is, plus 2n plus r. This 2n, this plus becomes, you know, r is there. As it is, this we can put. Similarly here 3m minus this 2n. Everybody, you have to be very careful here. This minus is here, so while opening bracket, this multiplies here inside, then you know, minus into plus, this becomes minus here, this r is there, r becomes here, because you know, minus multiply this plus, minus multiply minus plus is there, minus. So this we can write like this 2n minus r. If you know, then directly you can write like this. If you don't know, then you can do like this in detail. Okay, so as always, according to which you can do this. Okay, now next expression. First expression is factorized. So similarly, we can factorize second expression. Here second expression, look at here. Second expression. The second expression is equal to, there is r square minus 4n square minus 9m square minus 12mn. All the students, be careful here while factorizing. So here we have to make pair, this first two pair and this another pair. By making pair, if we take common, somewhere it is not common here we have common, this is, we can't do in this way. So here you can write three terms together. make perfect square and what comes separately here. Everybody you have seen here is 12 mm. The 12 mm here with this 12 here m and n is multiplied. So that you can write m and n. This we can separate the term here. R square we can write separately from side. And minus we can take common. These three terms we can write together. Minus common we can take. And here this we can write 4n square. Minus common taken. So minus multiple minus. This becomes plus here. 9m square we can put as it is. And minus multiple minus. This becomes plus here. Or 12m is same as it is here we can put. Okay. So you have to arrange the term like this. You have to separate it. Minus common taken here. So minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus becomes in this way we can do it. So this is equal to like same previous this expression. This r square we can put same r square minus everybody this is you can write by arranging it. 4n square you can write plus 12mn you can write in middle and plus 9m square you can write back. So this everybody you have seen it is a perfect square. So you can write here this r square we can put as it is. Okay, this minus is as it is here. This is we can write a plus b whole square, that is 2n plus 9m we have and 3m whole square we can write. You can make here, you can check here on the top here like this on the side here you can see 4n square plus 12mn plus 9m square. How to express in the perfect square? How to express in the form of a plus b whole square? You can see. Look at here. Here we have 4n square plus 12mn plus 9m square. This we have to express in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this a square means 4n square we can write 2n whole square. This became a square. This plus middle term we have to make at last plus b square we have to make. B square means 9m square we can write 3m whole square. Everybody you know. This it goes in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So at first we have to make a square. A square is made here. Similarly lastly b square we have to make last one. B square we can make. Now middle term 2ab. So let's make 2ab. 2 from formula into a. A represents here 2n into b. B means here 3m. So look at here. This multiply 12m comes out. 2 multiple 3. 3 to the 6. 6 to the 12. m into m becomes here. So it is in perfect square. So we can write this a plus b whole square, that is 2n. A plus b is here 3m whole square. If you practice, then you can be able to write directly like this a plus b whole square. Okay. So after this, equal to, everybody you can write a square minus b square. This r you can consider as a, this you can consider as a b here. The a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. That is we can write a plus b. A plus b means r plus b is here 2n plus 3m. 2n plus 3m we can write into a minus b. A minus b. A represents here r minus b. Minus is there, so minus it multiplies inside. So here a minus b doing, then this becomes a means r minus b. B means here 2n plus 3m. So while opening bracket this, you know r minus 2n minus plus it becomes minus here inside. So 3m it becomes. So this we can write r minus 2n minus 3m we can write. So what we this must for the second expression. Second expression also factorized. Now similarly third expression. Third expression is also similar type question here. Look at here, third expression we can take. Third expression now. Third expression equal to 9m square plus 6mr plus r square minus 4n square. Directly you can see 6mr. Here is the term containing m and r. This is the term containing m and r. So that the terms having m and r you can write together. You can do grouping. So let's do. This is already here we have. It is in perfect square. If you practice, if you make concept by looking this example here, then you can do yourself. So this we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square we have to make. A square means 3m square we can do. Plus 2ab we will make lastly. Plus b square. B square means r square you know. Now middle term 2ab we have to make. 2 from formula into a represents here 3m into b is r. Check it. This matches with this previous term or not? Check it here. 3m square is 9m square plus 2 multiple 3 multiple m multiple 6mr plus r square is as it is there. And similarly, this last one minus 4n square we can write. Now let's keep same 4n square. This equal to, this is in formula. Look at here, a square plus 2ab plus b square becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a plus b. What is, so we can write a means here 3m plus b means here r 3m plus r. What is square it becomes here? Minus this 4n square we can write 2n whole square. So that it goes in the form of a square minus b square. The a square minus b square is what is formula? A plus b, a minus b. Everybody you know. So this is equal to a plus b. A plus b means 3m plus r. This is a plus b. B means here 2n we can write. Similarly, a minus b. A is here 3m plus r minus b. B is here only one single term, so there is no problem with this minus sign. It does not change anything there. Minus 2n we can put same as it is there. Yes. Okay. So this terms, if you like to write by arranging, then you can write. So this became only this much you can write. You can write by arranging also m 3m plus 2n plus r 3m minus 2n plus r. So you can write. So here question is asking H.C.F. So everybody you know H.C.F means highest common factor, that is product of common factors. H.C.F means product of common factors. So we have factorized all the expressions. 3 expressions was given here. First expression, second expression, third expression. 3 expressions are given. So out of these 3 expressions, what are common? Let's write them. See their common factors here. 3m plus r plus 2n, 3m plus r plus 2n. Here also 3m plus r plus 2n. It is present in all the expressions. So we can write therefore H.C.F is equal to, we can write 3m plus 2n plus r. Like this we can write 3m plus 2n plus r, 3m plus 2n plus r. There also 3m plus 2n plus r, 3x. This all this term, this expression is present in all this expression. So this is one of the common factors. So this we can write answer. In this way we can do. So other there can be common, other we don't have. This is common minus this. Here 3m minus 2n minus r. This is not mentioned. Others are not common. So in this way we can solve the such type of problem. Many more times this is asking in examination also, in SE examination. Everybody learn it very nicely and try to solve the similar type of problems from the textbook. So here for the practice, for your more practice, I would like to give some questions here on the board. Please learn it, do it, okay? So here a question is, you can do find the H.C.F. This one number I did. This is one number A I did. B number I give you question here. X square plus 2xy plus 1. X square plus 2xy plus y square minus 1. This is one first expression. Second expression is y square minus x square plus 2y plus 1, and next is x square minus y square plus 2x plus 1. This is one question. The C number, another one, 9x square minus 4y square minus 8yz minus 4z square. This is the first expression, comma. Next expression is 4z square minus 4y square, 4z square minus 4y square minus 9x square minus 9x square minus 12xy minus 12xy. This is written outside. Right properly. And next expression is 4z square. Three expressions are here. 4z square. Here, sorry, this question 9x square minus 4y square minus 8yz minus 4z square. Another is 4z square minus 4y square minus 9x square minus 12xy. Yes, it is correct. Next is 9x square. Next is 9x square plus 12xy xz plus z square 4z square plus 4z square minus 4y square. So these questions you can do practice, and like this many more questions you can see in textbook or in practice book. You can see this like question. So all the students practice such type of questions yourself at home, and if any problem then you can comment me, you can inbox me. Thank you everybody. Only this much for today. Other more things we will discuss later in the next class. Okay, thank you everybody.